good. Hey, good. Hello. Are you going to jump?
Yeah.
Can I ask you a few questions?
Yeah.
Yes. What's your name?
Maddie.
Where you from?
I'm from California.
How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
How do you feel now?
I feel fine. I'm gonna do the small one, so I feel alright.
Are you scared?
I mean, not right now, but probably when I get up there.
You're so beautiful and brave.
Thank you. Yeah.
And how long have you been in Vietnam?
4 days.
How do you feel about Vietnam?
Honestly, like probably the most fun trip I've ever been on. I'm doing the Ho Chi Minh Loop, and it's a really great experience.
You travel alone or with your friend?
Yeah, I'm with my two sisters, and I've met a lot of friends along the way.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Take care.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Malik,
How old are you?
25.
Where are you from?
Big old North Canada.
What is your job?
I do business development for AI.
Are you going to jump?
Oh yeah.
Are you scared?
No, never.
You're so handsome and brave.
Thank you. Thank you very much.